Hello and welcome to the first lecture of this course. So we're going to start off in this lecture installing the essential packages that we need. I'm going to be using Ubuntu. You can follow along on CentOS, but you'll have to adjust the commands for that native system. So I advise you follow on Ubuntu. So we need to start a new terminal. So if you go to your desktop and right click, open in terminal, and we're going to install the kernel headers along with the kernel build packages. So just go sudo apt get install build-essential and pause the video if you need to, guys. Linux dash headers dash dollar bracket uname dash r bracket. So obviously this will install the build essential package and it'll install the Linux headers for your kernel version. So by doing uname dash r, that returns that, so the version of the kernel goes here. So it installs the correct kernel headers for your kernel version basically, which you can find by doing uname dash r. Okay, so if you just press enter, it'll ask you for a password, so just type in your password. And I've already got everything installed, but you guys might not, so it's important you do that command. And then just press Y, yes, yes, yes. It may already be installed for you. This is a fresh installer Ubuntu, so it's already installed for me, but not all of the distros provide this by default. So make sure you do that. So we can see that it's fetched the kernel 5 headers. Okay, so that is lecture 1. You've now installed everything you need. On the next lecture we'll create a Hello World module. Thank you.